Hi there, on Africa Excel Network. This is Africa and Leadership Series. Today's topic deals with emotional intelligence. How to unleash your inner potential in 2021 with all the secrets and strategies that work. Did you know in 2021, Africa is the new land of opportunities and future for aspiring leaders and African people. Africa has 54 sovereign and independent countries, the most of any continent in the world. Also, this beautiful continent possesses the youngest population with half of its people under 25 years old. The United States of America, China, India, New Zealand, Argentina, and Europe could all fit within Africa, geographically. Egypt is the most popular and touristic African country with more than 10 million visitors per year. Africa is the second largest continent in the world with 22% of the Earth's total land area. One day, the most inspiring and influencing leader in South Africa, Nelson Mandela, says, I quote, "Lead from the back and let others believe they are in front." So how decision makers as you can become successful through practicing those three skills. 1. Emotional intelligence. It is the faculty to discern, understand and manage your own emotions and those of others. It features great maturity and influence through actions. Empathy is the highest emotional intelligence. 2. Self-awareness. Self-awareness is the quality of right judgment and good knowledge of our feelings, experiences, and character. It reveals our self-reflection to grow personally. Only introspection on our lives leads to self-awareness. 3. Moral character. Moral character shows our attributes or qualities upstanding the best attitude and standards. An African leader is well known for his commitment to promote the well-being of disadvantaged communities through his/her traditions and culture. Finally, how can we turn into a game changer? True leadership relies on self-control. Self-control is the ability to manage or restrain your own impulses, desires, or actions. Highly emotional intelligent people are able to perceive their own emotions with maturity, to communicate effectively, to empathize with others, and to overcome conflicts and challenges. So how to handle your time and pressure to get achievement-oriented positive results as an African leader, for example. This is the topic of our next video. Share, subscribe to our channel and click the bell to receive the notification of our next episodes.